Okay, so when we are looking at drawing angles correctly on the coordinate plane, we need to make sure that we are starting in the correct position and that we are opening up our angle the correct amount. So things you need to know. These are the amounts that we need to draw, okay? So keeping in mind that every single time we draw an angle, the 0 is always here. All right, and we have to crank this open 70 degrees. So what you need to know is that because 90 degrees is right here, a quadrantal angle, we need to open up our angle from 0 to 70, not quite to 90. So I'm going to ballpark this to be right about here. And then I'm going to put 70 inside and draw like a little arrow indicating that this is like an open, like cranking it open. That's all you have to do to draw the angle correctly. For 210, we always start at 0, which is here. For 210, we kind of have to figure out where that is in the scheme of things. So this part is 90, and when we go another 90, we're at 180. So we're actually going to open this up past the 180 part. Down here is 270. So when I'm doing 210, I have to go basically 60 degrees less than this one, or 30 degrees more than this one. So I'm going to open this up all the way around to like here. This is 180. This would be another 30, and 180 and 30 gives you a total of 210. So you're showing that you're cranking it open all the way. It's going to stop here. That's a 210 degree angle. You wouldn't put it under. You have to arrow and then put the right here so that you know that this is cranked open more than half of a circle. That's what you're doing. 115, you're going to know that this is 90 and this is 180, and 115 is closer to 90. So when you start this at 0, you're basically going to crank open past 90. What is that? 15, 25 degrees? Maybe here. And then 340, you're starting at 0, which is here. And 360 is the full rotation. So you would need to go all the way around to like maybe here. This looks like Pac-Man, but you're literally rotating past 270, almost to 360, not quite. And this would be a 340 degree angle. Now, what quadrants are they in? Well, this is something you need to be really careful that you know. So 70 lives in quadrant 1. 210 lives in quadrant 1, 2, 3. This is quadrant 3, bottom left. Roman numerals. 115 lives in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 is top left. And 340 is in quadrant 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrant 4. Again, Roman numerals. All right, so making sure that you can draw those correctly.